Tonight on this Monday, June the 16th, will mark our first 8:30 sunset of 2025 in Denver. And for most of kind of the Denver area, this will end up being our first 8:30 sunset of the year. And other note I want to also point out is that if you're joining us from other parts of Colorado or even most of the Rocky Mountain West, those sunset times only vary by about 10-15 minutes for us. So generally the same idea here on this June the 16th, first 8:30 sunset of the year. Now, in Denver, those sunsets at 8:30 or later, they're not going to last all that much longer. In fact, they only run through July the 8th. Our latest sunset of the year is in 2 weeks, when between June the 26th and the 29th, we get those sunsets around 8:35 p.m. So this is about as late as our sunsets get. The summer solstice across the northern hemisphere takes place on Friday at 8:41 p.m. Mountain Time, and that's when the sun's rays will be directly over the Tropic of Cancer. That's the highest sun angle that we get, and also our longest day of the year. In Denver, it's just a smidge, a few seconds under 15 hours of total daylight, with sunrise around 5:30 in the morning and sunsets just after 8:30 p.m. Again, those sunsets will be through 8:30 or later in the Denver area through July the 8th. Our 8 p.m. or later sunsets through August the 11th, 7 p.m. or later sunsets through September the 19th. So summer is here, and it certainly feels like it with those 8:30 or later sunsets that start in Denver tonight.